Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another exciting box. Today we are trying New Zealand candies.
Woohoo! Go on, you Kiwis!
How exciting.
Yeah, well, it's somewhere we've never travelled before, so it's great to try the food without having to leave the house.
And this box
Because we don't like to leave the house.
We do. This box, to me, looks super exciting. I don't know if it's the colours or if it's because I've never seen things like this.
It's because it's full of biscuits.
But it's amazing. We were actually sent this by Sansa. It's a website where you can buy South African, New Zealand, Australian candies, and I think you can pretty much pick what you want.
Yeah, it's less of like a subscription box and more of just a shop where you can, an online shop where you can buy all of those kind of products.
Yeah, they obviously picked this out for us,
yeah.
But you guys can pick what you want and how much of everything you want.
Yeah, and we'll leave their website linked down below if you want to try any of these countries' candy.
Shall we get going?
Let's get going.
Now, I kind of want to start with like these shapers.
Yeah.
I've never seen any,
Shapes.
I keep thinking shapers, they're shapes. I've never seen,
like, who's shapers?
You know when you see something and you think it says something?
It's
and
like
this
something,
is actually,
I thought for a second then it was like a
like
Slimming
a Weight
World.
Watchers.
Yeah,
That's what I've been
Shapers.
thinking, oh, it's just going to make me look at.
Shapers.
So we've got two boxes here, and do you know what I've just seen, which is really funny? It's
No.
got a rating, a health star rating. This has got a 2 health star rating.
Yeah, well I wouldn't have thought it'd have
We
much higher
have
than that.
never got anything like that. We've
That
got like
must
the
be
traffic
a New
light
Zealand
system.
thing, mustn't
Yeah,
it?
I don't think it's on this one. Are these crackers then?
Well, they look like it, don't
Oven
they?
baked, not fried, are not shapes, originals. We've got barbecue flavour, and it's got a picture saying flavour you can see. That's what I like. And then pizza flavour.
If
so
you can't see the flavour, what's the point? They come in a foil sealed package.
What are we going for first?
I'm just going to freestyle over here for a second. Oh, I can see it. Oh, very
They're like
crunchy.
crackers.
I'm big into this kind of thing with beer, so come at me.
They've got a real good crunch to them. They're not soft like goldfish.
No,
I would say that tastes like barbecue though.
really. I don't. Only very roughly taste like pizza.
No, these
If these
are nice.
have got a 2 health star rating, I'd hate to know what Tim Tam's got.
Yeah,
It's not on the scale.
not on there. Oh, hold on. A 0.5. What do you think to those?
I think they're good. I don't think they're as good as
I
goldfish.
prefer the pizza ones.
The flavour's quite bland on both of them, to be honest.
Yeah, they're
I
quite-
prefer the goldfish. I'm going to give them a 7.
I'll give the pizzas an 8 and a barbecue a 7.
I'll give them both a 7.
Okay, so this make is Bluebird Burger rings. Don't let the munchies get the better of you. Take one bite of these tasty snacks and let the full-on burger flavour take over. I've never actually had anything crisp-wise burger
I've never
flavour.
really thought, oh, I'd love crisp
like
to be
onion
burger
rings.
flavour. I don't think it tastes like a burger.
No.
This is strange because usually some of my favourite things in these boxes are the savoury
savoury.
things, but so far, I have to say, I'm not.
I did like the...
They're good, but they're not Swedish truffle crisps.
I don't know how these are burger flavour. They taste more like onion.
They're more onion ring flavour.
They're alright.
I don't know what's full-on burger flavour
If
about
I was
them.
in New Zealand, I'd rather try a different bag and go back for those.
I'll give them a 6.
I'll give them a 7.
Alright.
Okay, on to the sweet stuff.
Yeah! Woo. Should we try one pack of Tim Tams and then?
Yeah, go for it.
Ooh.
Because we have been lucky enough to be sent
Oh,
3
3.
10 pounds.
Oh damn!
Damn, son.
We got chewy caramel,
I think
double
like
coat,
Double
chopped
coat?
mint, and we've got a cup of tea each to enjoy this with. I'm just loving about these though the colourway. I love the dark blue with the red and the gold. I just think
I
that
do
looks
like
so
What did you call it?
sexy.
Colourway.
Colourway.
What's that mean?
You know, colourway, colour style. Ooh,
Yeah.
Hello. Ooh,
Sure, I
they
can smell
are
that.
minty.
Whoa! They're like an
They,
after eight.
they smell like
They're
an after eight.
melting really quickly.
Yeah.
Considering I
Very
don't like
strong
mint
mint.
chocolate, not too bad because you get a biscuit. That's not bad actually.
I like that.
I personally wouldn't buy a packet of those, but
No.
why would you if you didn't like mint chocolate? But I'm not dissing that biscuit at all. Really nice. Out of all the mint and chocolate things I've tried, that's probably one of the nicest mint chocolate
I
things
think
I've tried.
they'd be great at the end of a meal. You just
Like
want a
Christmas.
little bit of something. nice chocolatey, minty. Pass those round. I think everyone will be really pleased, won't they?
The biscuit was lovely. Let's go double coat.
Come
So
on,
what, is it just going to be a thicker coat? What are you giving that, by the way?
I'm going to give that an 8.
I think it's unfair that I score that because I don't like mint chocolate, but I'd give that a 6. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's
Really
just a
coated.
double layer
Cheers.
of chocolate.
It's like a mega bourbon.
That's so good. Oh yeah, because these are like penguins, which we've put in our snack box before. And just while we're sitting having a cuppa, just for full disclosure, although we were sent this box, we're not being paid to say this box is good. So all these opinions are our own. That's why I don't like the first 3 things.
It's really picked up now though, hasn't it?
Oh, I love Tim Tams. Send me Tim Tams all
And
day
double
long.
coated is amazing. I wonder what chocolate that is.
I don't know, you know,
that-
but it's
oh,
good.
no.
That
Really
chocolate is better than some countries' actual chocolate.
Actual chocolate. And the double coat is worth it. If you're going to buy Tim Tams, you may as well buy the
Really
double
good,
coat.
isn't it? I was thinking, like, how much better is a double coat going to be? It's good, it's good.
Oh my word, we've only actually got 3 things left to try.
3
And
things?
look, it does look less coated, doesn't it? Right, I'm
Cheers.
excited. I hope there's lots of caramel in this. It's a chewy caramel. I was not expecting that.
It's so good. Oh, it says chewy caramel.
Oh yeah. Oh, do you know what? They should do chewy caramel double coated. That health star would be a naught. A naught. Do you reckon that's why it's not on
It
there?
hasn't got one, yeah. There's nothing much better than Tim Tams with a cup of tea.
I really want to finish that, but
That's what I literally just thought.
I'm
Because
feeling
you've been
sick.
clever. Because I've literally just eaten 3 biscuits. As well as all the other stuff. Because I'm like, right, I'm trying this, I've got to try it.
we have tomorrow.
I've actually had 3 biscuits.
And no, you've technically had like 6 biscuits because they're.
I've had like 100 biscuits today. Well, this is going to be really interesting because this will be the first time we've just tried New Zealand chocolate. Purely chocolate.
Let us know if you live in New Zealand. Are you big tea drinkers?
I'm not sure actually.
Because
Yeah, they should
people
let us
have
know.
said to us about the Tim Tam Slam. But
They should also let us know what else we should try from New
let's have a
Zealand.
look.
I
This
feel
looks
like I've heard of
fancy.
Whittaker's.
Do you know what that sounds like? Whittards.
Whittards, yeah.
We have a tea company in England
I
called
feel like I've
Whittards.
heard of
I
Whittaker's
think
as well.
so.
This is the Artisan collection. This is Hawke Bay Black Doris Plum and roasted almonds.
In dark chocolate.
Almonds in
Talk
dark
about
chocolate.
fancy bar of chocolate.
Our delicious 50% dark chocolate. So you might like this because it's only 50%. Ooh. It's like I feel like I'm on Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
It's literally like wrapping paper. Yeah, I didn't think you'd get your nail through there. I think you need to open
No,
it.
look at that.
You've
Ooh.
ruined the wrapper.
No, I haven't. That's perfect.
Whoa, massive pieces. So you only get 2 in a row. Whoa, that smells dark.
Cheers. It's only 50. That's so sweet. Not the chocolate, the plum.
That's the chocolate you expect to be round, like the fruit. And you know, like in Quality Street, around the strawberry cream and orange
That's
cream.
like a strawberry cream. I'm giving this a 10.
Considering I don't like dark chocolate, I feel like I probably could have finished that square. I would say that was good. I'm not going to give it 10.
What are you going over there?
Well, it's a bit unfair me scoring, isn't it? Because I don't like dark chocolate.
Since when did we stop scoring
I know.
things just because we don't like things? Come
Look.
on, get with the programme, Kate, otherwise we're going to have to kick you out of here.
Oh,
Let's vote down below. If Kate doesn't score something, she's out. It's Alex's channel.
A 6.
Oh, maybe we'll sub Kate out and we'll bring Matt in.
Okay, the piece de resistance, I hope.
Yeah.
Okay, Cadburys, which we have agreed taste different in Australia.
And New Zealand.
And New Zealand. Well, we've not actually technically tried it. The original Jaffas. Now, we have Jaffa cakes, so I wonder if these stem from this. Dark chocolate centre, great. Orange candy coating, flavoured confectionery. Let's go first time. Oh, you're in.
I try not to make. Oh,
Let's see.
they're bright
Oh, they're
red.
actually balls. You would think they'd be orange.
And they're bright. They're bright red. Well, it said I could bounce them.
Oh yeah, you actually
Remember Smarties did those big round ones, didn't they?
okay.
It's Smarties.
Oh, for Easter.
Yeah. They are orangey. That's so strange.
Was not expecting that when I looked at that packet.
That's so good.
I reckon if you put them in your hands and let them melt a bit.
No, mine are melted.
I just don't know why they're not orange. There's a really hard crunch on them, isn't there? It says dark chocolate but I don't think it's really dark chocolate.
No, it's not.
Because I'm enjoying this.
I'm going to give them a 9. I don't think they're
I'm
10 material, but I think they're 9.
8.5, 9. They're pretty epic.
So, apart from, well, you like the savoury stuff, I didn't so much, but apart from that,
I'll be eating those shapes.
The chocolate and the biscuits, delicious.
Wow. Do you know what? I actually like that we only had 8 things there.
Yeah.
It was a really nice...
Because you can kind of take time to enjoy each thing rather than feeling like, oh, there's so much stuff.
So much stuff, you've got to rush through it. That was really nice. What would you say your favourite thing was?
My favourite thing was the caramel, chewy caramel Tim Tam.
Mine too, although I think I actually really enjoyed the double one.
Double was
The
good.
double coated was good. And I actually kind of like those shapes.
Shapers.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. Any box full of biscuits, I enjoy. What about you?
I really enjoyed that. Any box full of Tim Tams, I enjoy. Thank you so much to the guys at Sansa for sending us that awesome box of New Zealand goodies.
Yeah, and if you want to check out their website, we'll link it down below. And don't forget, if you want to try English candy, you can also check that out down there or linked up there.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed watching that and we'll see you very soon. Bye guys.
See ya.